Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create and use quick steps for email on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026 web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. In this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. What we want to do is go to Settings, the cogwheel, top right corner, go to Email, then go to Quick Steps. Now we want to create a quick step, which are like rules but applied manually per message. With them, you can take multiple actions on a message using one click, which in my opinion is quite clever. Let's add a quick step. We'll call this step flag. Choose an action. Let's just say flag. Select an option, today. Add another action if we need to. We can also customize the quick step description. We can choose a shortcut via a keyboard shortcut, but we'll leave that for another tutorial. We want to now click on save. And that quick step has now been generated. We can now refresh the page. Let us now go to home, click on an email, and here we have quick steps, which will allow us to flag an email using quick steps. If we want to, we can create a brand new quick step from that section itself, or we can, let's just say, discard. We can also manage the quick steps, delete, move up and down, or edit if we need to, or add a description by editing the quick step itself. Description has been added to the quick step. We can now click on X. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.